Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2021 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the annoying lane assist feature. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can do this as a quick way, and we can also go to a more detailed menu where we can change the settings like the sensitivity. So I'll show you both right now. So we're going to go ahead and start the car. Leave the car in park or neutral, depending on if you have an automatic or manual. And we're going to let this screen just liven up there. So we're going to mainly use this toggle button here with the direction keys and the OK in the middle. And we're just going to scroll to the left or to the right and get round to that cog menu, which is our settings menu. So once you're there, you can actually see the top one is LTA, which is your lane assist. And you'll notice that there's actually not an on or an off next to it, but what we can do is we can hold the OK button, which takes us to a detailed menu where we can go lane center on and off, steering assist on and off. You can correct the sensitivity there. You've got the sway warning on, and then you've got the sway sensitivity, so you can adjust those as you please. And what that will do is when you turn the lane assist feature on, these exactly how the sensitivity and the features will stay. So we're just going to go back to our main menu that you're used to seeing when you're driving along like that. And as you can see, there's nothing at the top there, which means our lane assist is not on. We can now tap this button here on the right hand side, and that will turn our lane assist on, and that will be as our corrected settings. And then again, if you just tap it once, that'll actually turn that feature off. Now we're really lucky because it seems that this car actually stays in that position when you turn it on and off. It doesn't keep turning the lane assist on like many new cars do, so that's good. There you go, nice and simple video. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.